This is a 16 GB SanDisk pen drive. This pen drive has a problem. When I put it on my PC, it only shows 8 GB. This problem does not solve with the format. Let's see. As I told. So why this problem occurs and how to fix it. Before that, make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to stay tuned with our upcoming update. Hello everyone, I'm welcome back again with an interesting topic. In this video, you will learn how you can fix the storage problems on a pen drive. So let's get started. This problem always occurs when you create a USB persistence. Let's fix this. First, open command prompt. Now here type disk part. A new window will appear. Here type list disk. It will show all disk on your PC. The first one is disk 0. It is my hard disk. The second one is my pen drive. So select disk 1. Now clean the disk using the clean command. The problem not yet fixed. As you see, the capacity is unknown while we format. Now we have to create a new partition. So type create partition primary. Now the problem is solved. It needs format. As you see, the capacity is now 14.5 GB. If you need more help, just comment below and we will solve your query as soon as possible.